So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, don't worry. It's not too late. If you signed up with no referral code, you can now retroactively apply a referral code to your account. I'm gonna leave all the instructions down below, and you could literally be getting $1,000 guaranteed if you use the instructions down below. It takes like 30 seconds. It's 7 steps. You can do it right in your Uber driver app. There's a way to do it now. It's super simple. So yeah, if you forgot to use a referral code, don't worry, we got you. Just use the instructions down below, and now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. My name is Dylan and I am the founder of the Rideshare Hub, the #1 source for everything Uber, Lyft, and gig related. So if you're watching this video, today's video we're talking about how Uber just launched Ride Pass. This is huge breaking news. They launched this to every single state across the United States today, except California. Why? Because at the time of the making of this video, Uber is probably going to be shutting down in California, so they didn't announce it there. But for all the other states, let's talk about it. If you're a driver, this is huge news. If you're a rider, this is also huge news. Huge money maker for drivers and huge money saver for riders. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. Here we go. Uber's all-inclusive pass goes live across the US except California. This also has huge implications for drivers in California and riders in California, because likely this means that they know that Uber's not going to exist in California. So why launch, this in California? The monthly subscription service also offer ride, eats, and grocery discounts. By the way, I just bought the, DoorDash's version of this, which you guys can see that video that I made of that as well. Uber's all-inclusive monthly subscription service is now available across the United States. The ride with DoorDash, by the way, you get free delivery on orders over 10 bucks. So, and their deliveries are usually $2.99 each. So I was literally like, well, that's 3 deliveries. Plus you get discounts on the service fees. So literally, like, you make your money back in 2. So I'm like, and I don't have any groceries right now, so I'm like, bro, I'm just gonna keep buying. Like, anytime you want Chipotle, you save like $4. So yeah, that's like 2.5 deliveries with DoorDash. But DoorDash's is really good. You're pretty much getting free. It's like you're paying the same as if you go into the store and buy it, but it gets delivered to your door, so you save money on gas and time. The ride-hailing giant started testing Uber Pass in mid-2019, expanding the scope of the original Ride Pass that only offered discounted rates for Uber rides. After trialing the subscription in 10 cities over the past year, Uber is now giving residents in over 200 US cities the option to pay 25 bucks per month. That's actually a lot of money, 25 bucks. DoorDash's is only 10 bucks a month. The company says it's rolling out Uber Pass across the US as part of its response to how the world has changed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Uber's gross booking for rides went down by 75% from April through June, and the number of customers active on its app has dropped nearly in half compared to the same period last year. Demand for Uber Eats orders and deliveries, however, soared when cities went under lockdown. This may be one of the steps the company is taking to get customers back on its other services, since the Pass offers discounts across its products. So let's take a look at what Uber Pass offers for $25 per month. You're talking 25 bucks a month. That's like 300 bucks a year. You're paying a good amount of money to get these benefits. So let's check it out. For 25 bucks a month, Uber Pass gives subscribers a 10% discount on Uber X, XL, and Comfort rides. So you gotta be spending 250 bucks a month already on Uber X just to break even. So that's a lot. Let's say you're spending 10 bucks a day. You have to spend at least 10 bucks a day just to, make up for the Uber Pass. So you gotta be spending a lot of money, as well as a 15% discount on Black SUV and Premier. Uber Eats orders for pickup are free if they're over $15, while orders for delivery are 5% off if they're over the same amount. Uber Eats orders for pickup. Wait, Uber Eats orders for pickup are free? Wait, what? Uber Eats for pickup? I don't even know what that is. You order on Uber Eats and then you go pick it up? Of course that would be free. You're going to pick it up. 5% off for Uber Eats orders? DoorDash's is way better. DoorDash, I'm a much bigger fan of DoorDash. DoorDash, it's $9.99 a month, and you get free delivery on anything over $10. So this is kind of a ripoff, because it's only 5% off. It's not even free delivery. Groceries are free delivery over 40 bucks. I mean, but who's buying groceries, you know? Your grocery delivery, you're only doing groceries maybe once or twice a month anyway. Uber's also given its app a refresh to put rides, eats, bikes, scooters, and groceries in one place to make all its services more accessible. The new experience will introduce shortcuts to frequently ordered restaurants and previous tip destinations as well. Guys, the thing about this stuff is usually I don't pay for services like these because, and usually I don't sign up for rewards programs. Like if I go to, I don't know, let's say, what's a rewards program that's like, I don't know, usually I don't sign up for rewards programs because conscience, like psychologically, they want you to spend more money there. So you end up spending more money than you would have if you didn't ever sign up for the rewards program to begin with. So usually, like with DoorDash, usually I would never sign up for something like that. You're paying for something that you have to pay more money for. But I was like, that actually is really good. And as long as I buy at least 3 meals a month, I'm making my money back. So I was like, I usually at least buy 3 meals a month. But with Uber, like they want you to spend, in order just to break even, you're gonna have to spend at least 250 bucks a month on UberX. So like, this doesn't seem like a good deal at all for me. I don't know what you guys think, but we didn't mention that UberPass rollout excludes California. That is likely due to state law that requires a company to classify as employees. Uber's been vocal in fighting back against it. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this doesn't seem like a good deal to me at all. I don't know what you guys think, but Uber Ride Pass, it's a no from me. I would not recommend anybody to do this unless you're literally spending like $1,000 a month on UberX rides. Maybe if you're like a company who has, maybe if you literally commute to work every single day on Uber, then yes, of course do it. But if you're not commuting to work, maybe this is for commuters. I would have to say this is probably for commuters, people who use Uber to get to work every single day. But again, those people usually, their companies pay for the rides anyway. So I guess if you pay for your own rides every single day, and you're spending more than $10 per day, 7 days a week, then yeah. But otherwise, honestly, can't see myself or anybody that I know ever getting this. And by the way, there's not a lot of commuters right now anyway with the lockdown. And the Uber Eats, which is like, that's the only thing I would look for, it's only 5% off over orders over 15 bucks. That's not good at all. That's really not good. Like, again, 5%, you're gonna have to be spending $500. Is that true? You have to spend 500 bucks a month on Uber Eats orders in order for that to even make sense. And what's 500 divided by 15? 500 divided by 15. You're gonna have to order Uber Eats 33 times a month. That's over at least 1 time per day, every single day. Okay, if you order Uber Eats twice a day, every single day of the month, and you take a few UberX rides here and there, sure, but like this is for ultra, I don't know why they're even doing this, because it seems to me like these people are gonna be spending the money anyway. This doesn't seem like a good deal at all. I don't know what they're trying to do with this. But anyways, that's it. That's Ride Pass. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Like and subscribe for more breaking news updates in the gig economy. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and thank you all for watching. Have a great day. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I'll see you guys next time. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Later, guys. Peace.